Bhatti. Will take 10 minutes. So, તમે બધાએ સાંભળ્યું હશે, because of this COVID, there are a lot of families in India. Over here, we are fortunate that the government is giving us so much money. Government has spent $3 trillion on us. $3 trillion. But in India, there are a lot of Jain families who do not have money, who do not have anything to eat. We are talking about Jain families here only for now. So, in association with Jaina is not supporting this thing, but they had supported similar Sadar Bhatti. But similar to that, there is an organization that is allowing you to kind of help out those families in India. So, if you want to help out in any way, Dilip Bhai and Indravadan Bhai, they are contributing 1,125 each, which means $2,250 towards that Sadar Bhatti. But they are inviting all of you to donate any amount of money so that they can match your donation up to 2,250. So I'll be taking names. To start with, anybody wants to give out names? All these people who will get this donation from on your behalf, they will know that you have donated that money. Even though it will go through Jain Society, we will send the money through Jain Society, but we will also provide them the name of the people who donated that money. Those families will know that you have contributed to their well-being. Especially in this COVID times, you all know how it is in India. Right? So, please, if you can make any contribution. Dilip Bhai, if you want to come up over here and say a couple of words. And I really appreciate Dilip Bhai. He's always there to support this kind of activities. Last year, he donated about $2,000 for, if I'm not wrong, was $22,000, right? Yeah, $3,000. Sorry, I forgot the number. Towards the Swadhyaya. And all that money went towards those families in India. So, or to Jeevday actually. Right? Yeah, he donated $3,000. In addition to, so you didn't do anything, right? You just did your Swadhyaya, but he donated $3,000 for your Swadhyaya to the Jeevday during COVID time last year. This year, he's inviting you to match his donation with your donation, so you will also get that Sadar Bhatti no Labh. So I'll give Dilip Bhai the mic to say a few words.
Jai Jinendra. I cannot add much to what Dinesh Bhai already said. The need in India is tremendous among our Sadharmic Jains. And therefore I have decided to come forward and announce a donation, and also Indravadan Bhai have joined me. And any of you want to join, you can announce your names, and Dinesh Bhai will write it down, and all this money will be contributed through Jain Society and Jaina to Sadharmic Jains in India, whoever need our help. And we are fortunate here to be able to help those families in India. Thank you.
Thank you, Dilip Bhai. Indravadan Bhai, yeah, go ahead, please. We are not asking for any donation towards Jain Society. This is for the Sadar Bhatti in India.
Yeah, Dinesh Bhai just sent me this email this morning, and I read the email, and after reading the email, actually Dilip Bhai said that he's going to contribute $1,100. And I looked at the email, and I would encourage everybody to donate in the multiples of $75. The way this program works is $75 will support one Jain family for 1 month, and they are asking everybody to donate for 6 months. So 6 months comes out about $450. So me and Dilip Bhai are supporting 5 families. right?
Yes.
For next 6 months, 5 families for next 6 months. So I think it will work better if everybody donates in a multiple of 75. So they can say that they are supporting one family for 1 month, if it's a 150 for 2 months, if it's a 450, then entire period.
Okay.
That makes sense, right?
Sure, yeah. So I got Vidal Bhai, he's contributing four families, $450. $450. Yeah, you do it. Yeah. Salesh Bhai, $1,001. Anybody else? Huh? How much? How much you want to donate? Tell me. Okay, Yash will donate $75. Yashvi will donate $75. Dinesh and Renu will donate $75 each, and Vimla Dhanesha will donate $75 each. Anybody else? Rahul Mehta and Rahul, Priya, Rishabh and Ritu will donate $75 each. Anybody else? Manish Dandi, Leena Dandi and Veer Dandi will donate $75 each. Dipesh and Priyash. Dipesh and Priyash, three families. Dipesh, Jasmine, Dipesh and Prachi and Bay, right? $300 by Jasmine and Prachi Shah. And Dipesh? $101. Okay. Dipesh by 101. Anybody else? You can always connect to me afterwards. We'll start the program, but I am here. You don't have to. Dilip Bhai, do it. Dilip Bhai has something to add.
One of our friends from Tallahassee, Darshana and I lived in Tallahassee for a long time, and they are not Jains, but they've been contributing regularly to Jain Society. And on the occasion of Mahavijanma Kalyanak, they are sending us check for $750 to Jain Society. And these are our friends from Tallahassee. They are not even Jain. And so far, over the years, they've contributed more than $10,000 to Jain Society. Bhupendra Bhai and Hardika Ben Vora.
Yep. Thank you. Convey our thanks to Bhupendra Bhai. 150 from Rupa Bhai and Rupa Ben and Rohit Bhai Shah. Anybody else? Okay, I'm not going to take any more time. Okay, Bhupendra Bhai, please. How many? 150? 2. Okay, two families. Bhupendra Bhai. Sanjay Bhai Shah, 4 families. Abhay Bhai, 4 families. Anybody? Pranav Bhai, Suhil Bhai. Suhil Bhai, how many? 3 families. Pranav Bhai, 4, 5 families. Anybody? Okay, I think that's all. Let's Vijay Bhai Punai, $200. Thank you. Let's start the program.